Time to rev it up. One of the most exciting emerging talents on the island, Chainsaw Luke Frehill. Not so much a chip on his shoulder as a whole log he's taken down with a chainsaw. An angry man who feels pretty slighted and hard done by. He feels that at the moment Cian Noonan is getting all the opportunities that he should be getting, and points to the fact that he's been victorious over Noonan. There you go. Building a whole personality around it, clearly.
I beat Cian Noonan. It's true. He did beat Cian Noonan. And Cian Noonan.
Oh, look at the back. Look at that photo.
Oh my God. Amazing.
The open palm strike.
I mean, Frehill is the type of guy.
Tell him again.
Frehill's the type of guy that.
From County Kilkenny.
Oh, what's he making that guy do? What's that guy's name?
It's Dennis Murphy, resident ring announcer.
He's the man who beat Cian Noonan.
Yo, they say lightning doesn't strike twice, but chainsaws do, Ango.
Time for the sculpted one.
Yeah, I was going to say there, Chainsaw, he is unpredictable. He is the quintessential loose cannon of professional wrestling today. But he is someone, I didn't even know how to react around him. But in this particular affair, it's the arrogance of Cian Noonan I can't get behind it. You look into his eyes, the jealousy that he has against a guy Ango, who grew up in professional wrestling. He grew up in professional wrestling with Luke Frehill. Luke Frehill got injured very on in his career. Cian Noonan continued, and then Luke beats him, and Cian doesn't put out the hand and say, well done. Instead he says, you never beat me. It was a three-way. You didn't beat me. That is arrogance.
Well, as you stated, these two formerly great friends, but that competitive edge, that jealousy, if you want to call it that, has crept in. Frehill looking to flaunt it and throw it in the face of the sculpted one. Noonan just wants to get down to business.
I can't wait for this one.
What's that say, Noonan? What's that say, Noonan? What's that say? What's that say? Let me read it for you. I beat Cian Noonan. On the back.
This is just
On the back.
insult to injury.
It's even better. Who's the back?
There you go. Hockey style. Action quickly spin it to the outside. Noonan takes flight.
Oh, gee! Oh my God! Do you not thump?
Like I said, no crash pads around ringside. That is exposed hardwood floors.
Someone check on Frehill. Good grief, he's standing.
From the top, arm drag and a beauty. Drop kick connects. Noonan looking supremely confident. Noonan seemed like going for the eyes there. We're going to get the job done early as Frehill. Evasive maneuvers. Step up Enziguri connects, and Frehill's down take.
I don't want to say, like, yes, Cian Noonan. Everyone talks about how good Cian Noonan is. It's a story all this time. I don't think people up to a year and a half ago saw the potential of Luke Frehill to be the future of Irish wrestling. I think everyone sees it now. You look at him, look how he's built, look at his attitude. You look at he beat Cian Noonan.
Well, yeah, certainly Cian Noonan appears to be the consensus pick among Irish wrestling as the future bright star of the business.
Yeah, well, look at this. Look at that. Look who is truly sculpted. Look at that man.
Frehill in phenomenal shape, it has to be said. An absolute beast for cardio. Stories of pre-dawn 20k runs are not exaggerated. Frehill has a gas tank that can go all day, and that spells disaster for anyone looking to try and fight him here in OTT.
One thing Frehill has to remember here is, yes, he beat Cian Noonan, but he has to do it twice. That is a problem for most people.
Absolutely, and these two guys know each other inside out. They know each other's fight styles. They know strengths and weaknesses. They know exactly which buttons to push.
Yeah, and we know Cian Noonan can get through one of these type of matches. He beat LJ Cleary, similar last year. LJ Cleary quite not giving Cian Noonan the respect he deserved. And now we're seeing Cian Noonan do the exact same thing against Luke Frehill. But this is a very unhinged Luke Frehill.
Yeah. The only thing that I fear more than Luke Frehill is an angry Luke Frehill.
He's always angry.
That's the problem. Body shots landing. Liver and kidneys taking a beating here. Mr. Jacobs, referee, checking on Cian Noonan, ensuring he can continue here. Huge shoulder tackle there.
Yeah, from huge shoulders. That was definitely two. See, this is the thing. I don't think Frehill just wants to beat Cian again. I think he wants to humiliate Cian Noonan.
Just slapped him in the face once again. Call back to the t-shirt.
Yeah, wake up, Noonan. Wake up. Maybe that's what Frehill's trying to do. Or maybe...
Noonan, a man on a mission here.
Oh. Now we're talking. These boys are going to feel this tomorrow.
Noonan just unloading here. Noonan ducks under. Enziguri once again. Cover, hooks the leg. Not enough though.
No. These guys, they know each other. They know what they're going to do next. And I think Frehill was trying to wake Noonan up there a second ago, but might have asked the wrong question. He had a bit of control in the match. Now suddenly Noonan's in control.
Stomping down on the sternum. Frehill in a world of pain and a world of danger right here. Oh, hang on, escapes at the back. Oh, shot to the eyes.
Well, to be fair, Noonan put his hands on Mr. Jacobs first.
This could be
Is that it?
Cover.
Oh.
And at the very last split second, Cian Noonan gets that shoulder up.
I thought that was it. I thought we had a convincing Luke Frehill victory there. Yeah. Stick the t-shirt back on. You're in control when the t-shirt was on. Read it, Angle. I have only one eye. Can't read it.
It says I beat Cian Noonan. Not today, he hasn't.
Well, it's past tense.
I beat you! You are nothing!
It's not I will beat Cian Noonan. Oh my God.
Vicious open palm
Oh
strike.
my God. It should say I will humiliate. Oh, nearly with it.
Oh!
I thought he had the lariat there.
Noonan fires up. The sculpted one in the corner to the second, all the way to the very top. Oh, hang on! Oh, low blow behind the referee's back, and he's got a fistful of tights too. Oh, he steals it.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Angle! Twice!
He stole that.
He did not steal that! Oh, this man! What can he not do? He beat Cian Noonan twice! Luke, I know a good printer will put number 2 on that t-shirt.
Oh, hang on a second, this is breaking down. A little bit of afters here, lads.
Oh, I love it.
A little bit of afters.
This is the fight we're missing. Look at this!
No. This is separate.
Oh.
I beat you! Again!
It's true. Oh.
Noonan is furious.
What
And
is this
rightly
doing
so.
to Noonan?
Justifiably so.
Noonan! He's too emotional.